In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the URL of your website in Canva using what is considered the best method. So thanks for joining me and let's dive right into it. First, let's start this journey by opening Canva in your favorite browser. You'll want to make sure that you are logged into your account, ready to create magic with your editing skills. Once you're in, cast your eyes to the top right corner of your screen. There you'll notice a small gear icon, better known as the settings icon. Go ahead and give that a click. Clicking on the settings icon leads you to a new page where the world of Canva settings unfolds before you. In this myriad of options, you'll find one labeled web domains, a little lesser known hero here. Click on web domains. This section holds the keys to managing and editing your associated web addresses. It's where all your domain activities happen, so bookmark this place in your memory for future visits. Now that you are in the web domains area, you'll spot an option to view your domains. This option will grant you a comprehensive view of all the domain names you have connected. Click on View to proceed. Here you'll find a list of your domains, a sort of digital portfolio of your online assets. Next, find the domain you want to edit. Once you're confident about your selection, you'll see an Edit option to the right of the domain name. Click that Edit button, and it will usher you into a space where editing has no bounds. This is where the magic happens. Now, with the editing box open, feel free to change the URL. Here's where you ensure that your web address aligns with your new branding or a more apt representation of your project. Go ahead, think of a fantastic new URL and alter the one displayed previously. This is a straightforward step, but one of great significance. After making the necessary adjustments, don't let your excellent work go to waste. Look for the all-important Save button and click it. This step seals the deal, confirming your edits and updating your website's URL. Be sure to check the address afterwards to confirm that your changes have taken effect before wrapping things up. And there you have it, you've just mastered changing your website's URL in Canva like a pro. It's a simple process, but with great impact on how you present your projects to the digital world. Thanks for sticking around till the end. Be sure to like, subscribe, and check out our other videos for more Canva tips and tricks. Happy creating.